Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our amazing farm. I'm Momo the monkey, and I'm so happy to see you all. Today, we are learning about farm animals. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hi, Lucy. How are you today?
Hello, Gigi. I'm doing great, just enjoying some fresh grass. How about you?
I'm good, but I always see you eating grass. Do you eat grass all day long?
Yes, we sheep love grass. It's tasty and gives us the energy we need for the day.
That sounds interesting, but tell me, what else do you do besides eating? What's your day like?
Well, after I wake up in the morning, I have breakfast with the other sheep. We spend most of the day grazing in the fields, moving from one spot to another, looking for fresh grass. In the afternoon, we rest under the trees and enjoy the breeze.
Doesn't that get boring, eating grass all the time?
Not really. Every day is different in the field. Sometimes we find new flowers or plants to munch on, and walking around keeps things exciting. Plus, I love being out in nature.
Can you show your voice to the children? I will. See you soon, Lucy. Are you ready for a new adventure? I'll see you soon in a forest full of surprises. Don't forget to look for me. And remember, kids,